house. Yay.
Let's look at the view. Ooh. Oyster. There's a lot of oysters here. It's like 3 right next to each other. Oh yeah. I think he's alive. That was easy. Clay wall over there. Clay is nice. Oh, crumbled down conveniently. Let's see. That's not that high quality clay. That's pretty bad clay. I don't think it's good clay. So that might just be because it's the stuff that came down from the wall and not the stuff on the wall. So I don't know. This tree is weird. I found firewood. That's a root. That's not. What is this? This is some sort of mustard, I think. Should be a mustard. I think this is some sort of like curly dock or something. And there's dead nettle, I guess curly dock, and mustard. Purple flowers. Smells really smoky. Oh, there's a lot of sticky willy cleavers, whatever. That's a chimney. Miner's lettuce. Probably not pick the stuff directly on the side of the road. There's so much of it. Oh. Wow. Let's taste it. Hopefully. What does it taste like? Nothing? Tastes like nothing. It's a little bit succulent like it's supposed to be. And little flowers. The stems are sweet. Like, actually sweet. Time to pick more. I've already picked some off camera. Time to pick more. Because we're going to cook it for dinner. It's really crunchy. And then we can also have thistle. Maybe we can stir fry the thistle root with this miner's lettuce or something for dinner. And also we have the oysters. Okay, time to dig up the thistle. The soil's like rocky. Maybe let's start off with a smaller one, just because.
Super study mode.
Why? Ugh. The soil is so rocky. Okay, we dug up the root bulb. Probably broke the root. And we did. Wait. Is there... I think the root is too thin at the end to be of any value anyways. So, yeah. Let's...
Fill up your hole.
Huh?
Fill the hole.
Oh, yeah. Fill up the hole. Because it's not very nice to leave potholes in the ground. Throw this in the bag. Or in the pile. On to the next one. I think what you do is just lever up all the soil, because the soil is really packed, and then the root will come with the soil. Yeah, so at the end where the root is super thick, it just breaks.
So, do you want all the leaves or just want the root?
You probably don't need all the leaves. Okay. Okay, we'll take this big one. This one has a really big root, so I have to dig all around it. And then lever it up from all directions, loosen the soil, and pull it out, except that's actually some root loss, so let's dig for it. Except, where's the root? Ah, whatever. And we left half of them because you're supposed to leave like half of them behind. So we have 3 nice big thistles. Fill in the holes. Okay, We're done.
Okay, she's still digging at his thistle.
Let's see what happens if we just pull up one of these dead thistles. That's useful. Okay. Oh, he does that. His thing will just throw all these thistles in that bag. Or I guess I can just clean off the leaves here. Time to wash the thistles. And this time we can leave the crowns. This, I think, like, when we made the stew, the thistles were more spiny. These ones are not that bad.
Now I'm gonna deep clean the thistle in the sink. Now I will wash the miner's lettuce, and I wash it in batches because it's so big and fluffy and there's so much of it.
Now I have my miner's lettuce that's washed and my clean thistle root. This part is a little rotten though, so I'll have to cut that off. I will first slice the thistle root. I think the root crown will be okay to eat. You chop it finely and make sure that there's no spines, although it does seem a little bit fibrous. This part here on top seems a little bit tough. I guess all of it seems tough. That is fibrous, so cut it off there. These little thin roots, they might just be nice, like, and crunchy. I think they're already starting to oxidize and turn brown. Which is why the ones on this side are brown and the ones on this side are white. We are also going to chop the miner's lettuce up. Now we will bread the oysters to fry them. This is like flour, salt, and pepper. Frying the shrimp in oil. Oysters in the oil. So that's the finished thistle. I'm gonna go eat this now and give my camera a break, and then I'll fry off the miner's lettuce, I guess.
This is all the fried stuff. We have shrimp, thistle, and oysters.
I'll cut some garlic, because garlic for the stir fry. Smack it. That's a clean smack. And then just slice it. And then mince it. And then we have minced garlic. Now we have a hot pan, so we will put the garlic in. Although this is not that hot of a pan, each house has non-stick pans and electric stoves, neither of which I have experience with. We'll add the rest of thistle. Okay, the stuff is burning now. Add the miner's lettuce.
This is a finished miner's lettuce stir fry, and this is it with fried thistle root on top. Okay, that's the end of day 1. I hope you enjoyed. I'll probably release day 2 tomorrow.